god, guess what came for me, like, it came for me a while ago. And see this little thing, there is this particular soap, that uh, this is called, there's this brand called Atasi that you can find on Instagram. And such nice fragrance, yeah. And they were kind enough to send me this soap in this little cute little bag and cute little pouch or whatever. So it's like, apparently, this soap really helps. This is mostly for the women on our, like, it's just before one's periods, one gets these really crazy cramps, right? So apparently applying the soap, like massaging your tummy, your stomach with the soap, can really relieve the cramp pains, basically, I guess it's in the massage. And since this is like a homemade soap, it will, you can be sure that, normally I'm very careful about applying, too many, like, these skincare products. Yeah, some of them are just, you should avoid putting too much on your skin. But when something is homemade, I think it's the ultimate. So this brand is called Atasi, and you can find it on Instagram. And actually, they were kind enough to send me a own their the tiny little pouch like this. But otherwise, this comes as part of a hamper, I guess. The So I asked about the price also. And that's what you just need to connect with Atasi. That is on. I'll write it on my, the this brand that is on Instagram, and you can get these cute soaps that will help you relieve the period pains. And period pains are such, yeah, that nothing you do is, like, jitna karo utna kam hai, because those pains are such. So this brand is Atasi, and just check it out on Instagram. And thank you, Atasi, for sending me this. My dad also was impressed. He was like, this is so sweet that someone would send you the, a brand has contacted you. So it feels so nice. I can't tell you how much this means to me. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.